Good morning everyone. Welcome to online competitive classes. Students, that you know that I already finished this first lesson, networking concept. But today I will discuss exercise of this chapter. Okay, fine. But before I start exercise of this chapter, I just quickly give a recap of this chapter, and I hope so that whatever the video clips already it's put on our school website in 4 parts of this chapter. Hope so that you all watch it. Okay, fine. So now I just give you quick recap, example of a networking concept, then introduction, then I show you that railway network map of Gujarat state. Then I give an example, one more for a banking networking system. Then the networking, the diagram, advantages of networking. That in detail already I explained. So just now I just to show you recap only. Okay. Then types of networking system like a PAN, LAN, WAN, MAN, CAN. All full form you have to learn and you have to remember. Got it? This is the diagram of these types of networking. Comparison. Then network architecture. There are two types of architectures. Client and server network architecture and peer-to-peer. That also you got it now, I think. Okay. Then networking components. There are physical networking also available and wireless also available. Depends on your networking system. You have to use components like network card, then networking cable, then hubs and switches. This all need for a physical networking system. Then if the wireless networking system is there, then you have to use a WAP or access point or a router. Okay, so these all are components for a networking. Then networking security, to protect your data and your information from unauthorized access. You have to put protection or you have to put security. There are two levels of security that already I explained, login security and write security. Fine. Then let's know more. In let's know more, even I explain about what is a protocol, intranet, extranet, then know the fact, even some terms already I explained like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WAP, okay fine. And then already I given you recap also in the last session. Now today I am explaining exercise. This exercise, it is from textbook only, I will explain. First start from fill in the blanks. First blank, this is a computer network created for an individual person. The answer is PAN, Personal Area Network. Second blank, this system allows us to talk to any person in the world at any time. And the answer is communication. Next blank, a computer network enables two or more computers to share dash and dash hardware. Answer is data and resources. Then the fourth one, in a network modification or upgradation of the software or data is done at a dash only, and the answer is single point. Fifth one, the computers that communicate with each other are called dash. I forgot to put here dash. But the answer is nodes. Fine. Then the next one, sixth, dash and dash are the different types of networking? And the answers LAN and MAN. Local area network and metropolitan area network. Okay, clear? Now next question, state true or false. First one, nodes and servers have the same functions. And the answer is false. Nodes and servers both are not same. Second one, Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It is true. The answer is true. Third one, network cards are used to physically attach a computer to a network. The answer is true. Fourth one, in a client-server network, there is no central server. The answer is false. In a client and server, there is a one central server and then other different computers, those are known as a client, they are connected with that server. So it is a false. Then fifth one, extranet refers to a computer's network restricted to an organization. It is also false. Now next question, section B, a multiple choice question. First one, which is the most commonly used network card? Three options are there: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Ethernet network card. And the correct answer is Ethernet network card. Second one, the dash are the certain sets of rules that determine how data should be transferred over the network. Three options are there: protocols, network cards and both. And the correct option is protocols. Third one, what do we call the computers that are connected to the server? Three options are there: nodes, laptop, PC. And the correct answer is nodes. Now, fourth one, this security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. Three options are there: network, information, resource sharing. And the correct option is network. Then fifth one, dash is a device that connects a wireless communication device to form a wireless network. Three options are there: WAN, Wi-Fi and web. And the correct answer is web. Okay, so students, from your textbook, the objective type question already I explained here. Now in this chapter, question answers left. But that we will discuss in a class only whenever we will meet. Because in a question answer, I think that it is better if the two-way communication is there. Okay, got it? So that now only question answers left of this chapter. Otherwise all that objective questions already I discussed here. Okay, fine. So I think that you got it. Now, before I just over this session, I want to show you a small video clip. So I think that you more clear about that networking concept. Okay.
Networks. Computer network. A computer network is a group of two or more computer systems connected to each other. This means that every computer in the network can send information to the others. The main advantage of networking is to share resources such as printers, scanners, disk drives, and CD or DVD drives. Multiple users can communicate among themselves and share data and information. Components of data communication. Message. The message is the information to be communicated. Sender. The sender is the device that sends the data message. Receiver. The receiver is the device that receives the message. Medium. The transmission medium is the physical path by which a message travels from sender to receiver. Types of computer networks. There are many types of computer networks, including local area networks or LANs. The computers are geographically close together, like connected in the same building. For example, network in your computer lab. Wide area networks, WANs. The computers are farther apart and are connected by telephone lines or radio waves. For example, ATMs all over. Metropolitan area networks or MANs. A network designed for a town or city. For example, the cable TV network. Campus area networks or CANs. The computers are within a limited geographic area, such as a campus or military base. For example, an intranet working within IIT. Personal area networks or PAN. It is a computer network used for data transmission amongst devices such as computers, telephones, tablets, and personal digital assistants. For example, printer, fax machines, telephones, scanners, etc. are connected through network. Internet. Internet is a network of networks. It is a global network connecting millions of computers all over the world. Hundreds of countries are linked together via computers to exchange data, news and opinions. Each internet computer is independent and called a host. It uses existing public telephone and communication networks, including satellites, to relay data between networks using routers. The fastest growing part of the internet is the World Wide Web. Other parts of the internet include services such as Gopher, Telnet, and FTP.
Okay students, I hope so that from that small video clip you got more clear about the networking concept, the types of networking, the computer devices, how it works. So I think that now you're more clear about this, and then also in this chapter, if you have any doubt anywhere, then in girls section, students, you know that we already made a group, so you can ask me whatever you have a doubt. Then also I think that if you watch that all 4 video clips that it's already put on our school website of this chapter, you again and again watch it, then also you find out any doubts anywhere, then you can contact me. Okay, so stay safely at your home, and thank you.